everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be transforming my bulletin board into a summer aesthetic thing because even though summer is almost over, I love the summer aesthetic and that's just how I've always been. So yeah, enjoy, subscribe, and hit the like button if you'd like, and without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I want to do is obviously take everything down, and you're about to witness a very magical moment when I snap and everything is removed from my whiteboard in 3, 2, 1. Wow, that was so cool. Okay, now that I've got that, I had to organize things, put away all the scrunchies that were on my board into a bin, and I also wanted to pick the most summery ones that I had, so 3 of them. 3 scrunchies that I'm going to put back up onto the board, and 3 necklaces that I also think fit the aesthetic. So as you can see, I just laid them out. Once I had that, I decided I want to make my push pins a little more exciting. So basically, I took a penny and I traced a piece of paper. And in that paper, I looked up some images on the internet and I just drew some, cool things. Cut the paper out and then glued the paper onto the penny, and then the penny I would later hot glue gun onto the push pin. So yeah, that was that. It was pretty cool. Sorry about the really bad lighting. I know I filmed this at night because I got impatient. I didn't want to wait till the next day. So yeah, once I had that, just smashed them on the wall, boom, 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 and yeah, there we go. Alright, so step 2 of this. If you've seen my watercolor video, I'll link it right here, but you should go check it out. I basically do a really similar thing, maybe a slightly different aesthetic, but it doesn't really matter. So I just take my watercolor and just watercolor some paper, and then for some of them I'd put some images I like, and the others I just, wrote some words. Then I would take my binder clip, which is actually completely useless. It's just for the design part, I guess you could say. I would clip it on the top, and then I would blue tape it onto the board. I know it seems a little backwards, but I think it looks good, so we're gonna do that. Alright, also, Pom Pom Garland, please do not kill me. I don't know how to make pom-poms, okay? It's just kind of it looks kind of flat, but I'll show you how I did it anyway. So basically, I just wrapped it around 2 fingers, and then I take another string and tie it, take it off, and cut it pretty much the traditional way that people make pom-poms. I also saw there's some cardboard ways to do it. You could test that out. I don't know. So yeah, it was pretty easy. I made 5, and then I just strapped them onto a string and then put that all on there, and boom, at the top we have a little pom-pom thing with my push pins, and it looks interesting. It looks pretty good. I like it, if you don't look closely. Okay, and also I decided to do this weird grid thing. So you'd put 9 push pins down, and then I just kind of try to weave it in the pattern. As you can see, there is really no way to do it without overlapping. If you can, then you should definitely show me, because you're probably a freaking genius. And it kind of reminds me of, in middle school when they'd have all those puzzles. I don't know if it's just me, but you'd have to figure out oh, can you like go through all of these points without like re-going through them? And no, I went through them so many times, did some weird tying knots things, and that's how it turned out. Alright, so it is the next day and I'm editing the video now. There is kind of a gap on the bottom left hand of the whole bulletin board, but you know what, it's okay. I always find things I need to put there anyways, and so I'm just gonna leave a space there just in case, you know, you never know what will happen. I feel like this could be really nice for like the fall season or any other season. You just have to change the watercolor, the scrunchie color, and the pom-poms. I mean, it's really easy. You could do virtually any theme. So I encourage you to try it out if you have a bulletin board and let me know how it goes. So I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully see you next time, and bye!